This is my guest bathroom, guys. Oh yeah, this is the flooring that I am going to be putting down. It's the stick and peel, guys, and it's also groutable. The first time that I did stick and peels, guys, I'm telling you, it turned out so horrible. I've already taken the rug up. I also have to finish removing this vinyl rug and remove any staplers. Guys, this is my bathroom, and these are my groutable towels that I just completed. I think I did a pretty good job for it to be my first time. I just wanted to show you the end results of it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.